Good morning, students. So today we will study about many more what input devices. Okay, this is your input device scanner, and digital camera can be also be termed as input device. Okay, now see what is a scanner. A scanner is used to input text and picture into the computer. Okay, if you have been to some malls you can see that there are certain scanner. Okay, this is a barcode scanner. It scans your barcode then shows the price. Okay, so this is a scanner. Okay, a scanner is used to input text and pictures into the computer. Okay, it works by passing light over the image. How it works? It works by passing light over the image to be scanned. Okay, there are two types of scanner. What are the two types of scanner? This is your number one, this is your number two. Okay, so what are the two types of scanner? In a flathead scanner, number one is flathead scanner. This is a flathead scanner, and this is your handheld scanner. Okay, so in flathead scanner we place the image on the glass of the scanner. Okay, and the scanner scans the whole image. Okay, the flathead scanner we place the image on the glass of the scanner. So this is the glass of the scanner. Okay, so we put the image, okay, the barcode, you put it over there and it scans it. And what is a handle scanner? Handle scanner, you can find handle scanner in offices, in what computer shops also. Okay, so what is handle scanner? In a handle scanner we hold the scanner in our hand and push the light sensor along with the image. So here we insert the image and you press this upper button, this lead. Okay, this lead we press it here and it scans the image. So these are the two types of scanner. Now we come to digital camera. Everyone knows what is a digital camera. Okay, a digital camera is used to what? Capture photographs electronically instead of using photographic film rolls. Okay, so the camera in your phone is also a digital camera. DSLR is also a digital camera. Okay, nowadays digital camera is used. Okay, no care, this photographic film rolls are not used now. Now see, modern digital camera are able to record sound and video as well as photographs. Okay, so it can record sound and videos. Okay, so it can record videos as well as photographs. So in two things can be done by only one camera. Okay, earlier there was a camera separate for video and separate for clicking photos. Okay, now see, the pictures are stored in memory cards in the camera. So in camera there is a memory card. Similarly in your phone there is also a memory card. Okay, the camera can be connected to a computer to store all the images to the computer. So via a USB cable you can store these images inside this camera into your computer. Okay, these days digital camera are also a part of mobile phones and PDA. What is PDA? Personal digital assistant. So digital camera, nowadays digital camera is already in phones. Okay, now what is webcam? Webcam means the see I am discussing webcam are digital camera which are connected to a computer. So in computer if a camera is connected then it is known as what? Webcam. Okay, web camera. Okay, now see, they do not usually have any storage facility. So webcam don't have a storage facility, but digital camera has a storage facility. Okay, an image, as the image is clicked, it is stored in the computer. So the image clicked by the web camera on a computer, it is stored in the computer itself, not in the webcam's memory. Okay, webcams are often used for video conferencing. Okay, so in Zoom call, Google Meet, webcams are used. Okay, now we come across a new topic. What is magnetic ink character recognition? This is your magnetic ink character recognition, and the reader which reads this magnetic ink is known as magnetic ink character reader. Okay, so you have seen checkbooks. Okay, so below checkbooks there are certain number written. So this is what written in magnetic ink. Okay, it is written in magnetic ink. So see, magnetic ink character reader MICR is designed to read the numbers present at the bottom of a check. Okay, the numbers are, so this is a checkbook and this is the numbers. Okay, the numbers are specially designed and are printed with magnetic ink with checks. Okay, so it is printed with magnetic ink. Okay, MICR are used in banks to read data from checks. So MICR, what? Magnetic ink character reader, it is used to read this number from checks. Okay, Now we come across barcode reader. Okay, so barcode reader is similar to this. Okay, this scanner. Okay, now see what is barcode reader. Items in supermarket like Big Bazaar, Vishal. Okay, so this is a barcode reader is used there. Okay, so items in supermarket generally have parallel printed lines. So see, these lines are parallel. Okay, lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so parallel printed lines of different thickness and their way. So the lines have different thickness. See, these lines are close, but these lines are a bit. What, there is a gap between these two lines. Okay, these lines from the barcode. Okay, a barcode is used to store coded information about an item. So some coded information it is here, and a barcode reader scans it. Okay, so what is this? Barcodes are used, sorry, barcodes are read using a barcode reader. Okay, so how can you do this barcode using a barcode reader? Simple, which is a type of handheld scanner. So handheld scanner, this is a handheld scanner, and barcode reader is an example of what? Handheld scanner. Okay, now we come to OMR, optical mark recognition. Okay, so if you give entrance exam, you will see that nowadays OMR is used. Okay, now see OMR. What is a OMR? Look at the answer sheet shown below. It has empty boxes printed on it. So there are some empty boxes. Okay, see question number 6, A B C D. A B C D E. So there are certain options given. Okay, so these are empty boxes. Okay, so whenever we click on this, like, see, so this is an empty box. Now I will make it red. Okay. This has become red. So now I will explain what happens. Okay, now see, look at the answer sheet below. It is empty boxes printed on it. Okay, the student marks his answer by shading the box corresponding to the correct answer. So the correct answer of 6 is what? E. Okay, E is the correct answer. So I have what? Given this dot over here. Okay, I have given this dot over here. This dot over here I have given it. So this is the correct answer. Okay, I have given this dot. So like this OMR sheet, you have to fill your OMR sheet. Okay, now see, the student marks his answer by shading the box. This box I have shaded corresponding to the correct answer using pen, pencil or ink. Okay, such sheet is called OMR sheet. So this is your OMR sheet. Okay, so now suppose if the correct answer of 11 is B, I will just shade B. Okay. If the correct answer of 13 is what? C, I will just do this. Okay, so this is how I will fill OMR sheet. Okay, now see, what does OMR stands for? OMR stands for optical mark recognition. Okay, so the abbreviation of OMR is optical mark recognition. Now OMR answer sheet are checked by the computer using OMR reader. So this answer sheet is checked by OMR reader. Okay, OMR reader uses light to detect the position of shaded boxes. So when the light is passed through this sheet, okay, now in these shaded boxes, what happened? The light do not pass. So this, like this, the OMR reader understands that this is light is not passing and this is the answer. Okay, and after that a computer calculates the mark. To detect the, see, OMR reader uses lights to detect the position of shaded boxes in the OMR sheet. Okay, the OMR reader reads the data from the OMR sheet directly into the computer. So after reading this, it is inserted into the computer. The sheet in which you attended NCO in paper in class 3 was OMR sheet. Okay, so this is a different thing. Okay, so after this I have explained today. Next I will explain what. Okay, let me explain what is a microphone. Microphone means what? With microphone you can what, record audio, or you can transfer audio from one phone to another. Okay, now see, what is a microphone? Microphone is also input device. Okay, microphone is the input device, then convert sound signal, sorry, microphone is a device that converts sound into signal. Okay, so it converts what? Microphone converts sound into signal that can be fed into a computer. So after so your phone also has a microphone. Whenever you talk to some people, suppose you want to talk to your father, so you will call him. Okay, and you will say hello. So the phone uses its microphone to capture the audio. Okay, a signal that can be fed into computer. Okay, many headphones now come with microphones. So You already know that in headphones also microphones are there and are used in chatting and other phone applications. So in WhatsApp also microphone is used, okay, in Google also microphone is used. So I am making this video, my sound is getting recorded with the help of my phone's microphone, okay. This is how a microphone works, okay. Go through the video, student, and if you find anything confusing you can ask me in the comment section.